I think we treat it from the Securities and Exchange Commission's side more of awareness. Awareness is a great part of what we do in terms of market development. If you attended most of the sessions, you would see that there's a lot of information, not only to digest, but a lot of learning points. And glad to say that the spicing of the whole thing is having colleagues from Namibia, Zimbabwe. We had Grace from the IFC and the IFC local representative in Zambia also showing their perspective to the importance of capital markets. From the Securities and Exchange Commission, we strongly believe in capital markets, and this has been supported by the government that adopted or came up with a paper, a long-term development strategy, the capital markets master plan, which talks about awareness as one of the strategic pillars. Now, when I'm talking about awareness, yes, 30 years, but we still have a huge segment of our population that is not playing their part in the use of capital markets. Capital markets is the only place where you can raise long-term funding. Yes, there are challenges, but of course there are a lot of opportunities. Now, like you've said, we have two $1 billion entities, ZCMCA and CEC Zambia. I think we have great examples of what SMEs and everybody else can do, raise financial support through capital markets and grow from there. So we need a lot more billion-dollar companies. I strongly believe it's not too long from now when we are going to see $1 billion individuals, not only companies, but $1 billion individuals. If you saw, one of the highlights was a presentation of all the trillion-dollar companies now in the US. They're all listed. And the original shareholders have, I think Sonny Zulu from Stanchart did share evidence to the fact that of all the trillion-dollar companies, the highest is the shareholder in Facebook, what they call Meta now. But he only has 14% of the company. The rest of the people are less than 14%. So you can grow through capital markets big and retain small, but that small percentage holding gives you $1 billion status. But then what